Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I am here today with a comparison video. This was a kind of requested comparison video from one of my subbies, Vicky. Hi Vicky. She is my follower on Instagram. She saw my post on my Gucci Super Mini Marmont flap in the red, and she said she doesn't know, she's torn between a Chanel square flap and this Super Mini. So I thought I would do a comparison today, just showing you those two and my thoughts quickly. But the main comparison I wanted to do today was on these two bags. I still haven't done my vlog sale, I know, and I am planning on selling this bag, but while I have it in my possession, I figure I should do a comparison on these two, just in case you're interested. They're a little more comparable, in my opinion, than this Vicky and this gorgeous bag. I have just done a review on this. It's the Chanel mini flap in the lambskin leather with the champagne gold hardware. She asked me that she's looking to purchase one of these and she doesn't know now. Vicky, I will tell you, honey, in my opinion, these are not comparable at all. No way. This is almost a full-fledged handbag compared to this little bag. This is definitely, as I've said before, like a novelty little bag. It's barely a bag. It's more like a pouch. I have pouches and toiletries from Vuitton that are bigger than this. But in my honest opinion, these aren't comparable. This is a far bigger investment, financial commitment. It is 10 times the price of this bag. And as you can see, it's going to house a lot more. It will hold, you know, I'm going to say 3 to 4 times what this Super Mini holds will go in the Chanel flap. That is for sure. So it's just really a decision of really where you're at in life and what you want to do. You have a cheaper spend on this side for luxury and you have a bigger spend on this side, but you're going to hold a lot more, whereas this is just going to be more of a novelty kind of fun outing or quick errands bag. Just complaining to you. Hello. Hello
everybody.
Is there anything you'd like to say?
Would anyone like to see my abs?
No. Just kidding.
Does anyone have any hair product?
Oh, yeah, I think your son stole it.
Look at you looking all pretty. Why don't I get this?
Thanks, darling.
Why don't I get this?
Because I'm filming. Oh, but I've got to finish this. Come on. It's in the plastic bag on the kitchen counter. There's some product from downstairs.
Thanks, bye.
Okay, bye. Can I come for cappuccino? Yay! So I'm going to go over all the features of this guy first. And this, for reference, is the Gucci GG Marmont Matelassé Mini bag. Again, it's kind of like Chanel. Like they should name it. They should have it named. I call it the camera bag or blogger bag because it's really that perfect kind of square boxy shape that's very, you know, a blog bag kind of shape. Officially, the color of this bag that I have in my hands is called Porcelain Rose. That is Gucci's official name for this. You may see it on websites such as Farfetched or Matches, and, you know, My Teresa named different things. On some Gucci websites, it's named nude. I've heard it was named pink on a few, but I purchased this from myteresa.com and it was named Porcelain Rose, which is the official color for it. And I was, if you saw the unboxing, I was a little scared that it wouldn't be the right color, but alas it was, so that is good. Measurements of this bag I only have in centimeters. It is 18 in width, 12 centimeters in height and 6 centimeters in depth there. It features beautiful aged gold hardware, and I think this is what's such a nice touch against this color. This color in the Super Mini is so hot right now. Everybody is after that bag. Oh my goodness. and it's sold out almost everywhere. But these combinations of this like aged gold hardware against this beautiful nudie rose color is just so pretty. It is really, really pretty. Yes, I am parting with this bag just because of use. I've used it one time outside of the house, that is it, and I haven't reached for it since. I have reached for this so much more than I've reached for this bag, and look at the size of this. So I don't know, it's just something about the bag. I don't mesh with it, or it's just, yeah, I go for other bags instead of this. It features one zipper top closure with the zipper pull here. It's got a nice split looped tassel, which is really nice. I know that the Soho Disco by Chanel is that, by Gucci, is that much bigger tassel. This doesn't get in the way at all. It's very lovely. That carries down to two of the chain breaks there on D-rings. None of these hardware pieces are engraved by Gucci. They're usually engraved, but they aren't. If you want to know that, they've got a little tab here made of leather. It carries around. There are no feet on the bottom of this blogger bag. However, it does sit perfectly straight. It doesn't lean or anything. It's really nice the way it sits. So you've got the beautiful chain breaks, which then lead to the leather break, which is the main portion of the strap, making it so comfortable crossbody and on your shoulder. You really don't even notice it's there. It's so lightweight, and it's really nicely symmetrically balanced as a bag, I feel. Just up close, none of this hardware has any engraving, which is odd for Gucci because they normally used to engrave a lot of their hardware on even the D-rings and rivets and things like that, but these aren't engraved. So it's called matelassé because of the quilting. So this is the chevron quilting and the way it's stitched, and then you have it following on the back, and then you have this beautiful quilted GG stitching on the back, which I really like. I do love the heart, but I love the GG. I think it's really kind of edgy. So moving on to the inside of this mini marmont, it's got the beautiful micro suede down inside, and then this is in like a pinky cream kind of color, so a nice light color, which I think is perfect for finding your items. I do think if this was dark down inside, like the black one, all black, it would be difficult, especially when you're fussing around trying to find your items in the first place. If it was hard to see, that would just be frustrating. It's got one slip pocket on the back wall there. I've got all of my tickets and control tabs and swatches, leather swatch down in there, obviously because it's being sold and hasn't been used. It's got the Gucci made in Italy leather tab there, stitched nicely, and there you can just see the inside. You've got another made in Italy Gucci tag down there, stitched in black, which you can see, but there is its internals. It's really quite nice and really quite spacious. I will show you what fits in this. And finishing up to tell you the details, this Marmont, GG Marmont Mini, retails in Australia today for $1,215. So that just goes to show that it has already gone up in price. I paid $1,060 for this handbag. So it's already gone up in price, obviously due to just, I guess, the demand of Gucci at the moment. I am waiting for the day that Gucci just realizes how great they are and how well made full leather handbags they are, and they just skyrocket their prices because of that. They are in such a great price bracket for luxury. If you want to start your luxury collection, Gucci is always a great start option. That is how I started. My first handbag was from Gucci. So yeah, that is the Marmont Mini camera bag, I call it. Now I'm going to go over this hot little item. Oh my gosh, everybody asks me about this. I get a lot of DMs about this bag if I post it on Instagram, and I get asked a lot about if I can do a review on it. I've used it enough to do a review on it. However, I feel like this comparison is a little bit better just because of its size. Okay, just quickly with its measurements, it's 16.5 centimeters in width. It is 9.5 centimeters in height, and it is 4.5 centimeters in depth. Again, I'm getting them off the Gucci website in centimeters. It is made up of this is all sheepskin leather, by the way. It's sheepskin leather, and it is in the matelassé chevron quilting stitching there on the front and on the flap. And then on the back, it continues round with this gorgeous little kind of iconic for Gucci now love heart there on the back, which is oh so cute on the Super Mini. And then it features again the beautiful aged gold hardware, which again I feel like on this red just pops perfectly. It has one long no leather break chain, so it's all one chain, and it's completely detachable with T toggles that are linked through the D-rings here on the inside of the flap. It is a press button closure, which you can see there. This is what I meant by used to be engraved. It has Gucci engraved on the inside of the press button closure there, saying Gucci, Gucci. But nowhere else on the bag. There are no pockets inside. There is just the one Gucci made in Italy leather plaque there, and then the control number underneath it. But there is this one little hook down in the corner, which you can see, which is very cute. It's very similar to like the GST. So this is what I meant by they used to engrave all of their hardware. Hopefully you can see here it has Gucci made in Italy engraved at the bottom of the little clasp. So with this clasp, you just push it forward and it opens. So the cute little feature with this is you wrap it underneath the flap, you wrap it around the back, and if you are tiny enough, you can loop the chain in the hook here like this and wear this little Super Mini as a bum bag around your waist. But I mean, look, guys, look at that. What? You have to be teeny weeny to get in that. Otherwise, you can put it on your shoulder and it doubles as a short kind of shoulder bag using that hook if you can't use it as a bum bag or a fanny pack. But that is so cute, and then you can take it off all together. So even though it is small, there is a few ways to wear this bag, which is really, really pleasant. So yeah, so obviously I have it in red. It is offered in a few colors, black, and obviously the porcelain rose is the utmost popular. Can't get your hands on it, it's crazy. But I have it in the red, which is a true red. It is a blue undertone red. It is really gorgeous, such a pop of color, and I love it with outfits. I know I'm taller and curvier, but I like it, and it's much more of a novelty bag for me, or little, you know, clutch purse. It's very cute. Okay, so I will just finish up by showing you what fits inside these bags. So starting with the Super Mini, this is my iPhone 7 Plus. I said it before on my channel, but I can tell you that a plus iPhone, any plus iPhone, fits inside this Super Mini Mum Want. However, it does not fit inside a Gucci Dionysus Super Mini. They're way too structured, and I know that because I have tried it myself. So there goes my plus, my 7 Plus. Here is my card case by Louis Vuitton. So that would hold my cards and cash if I needed it. Here goes my car key. I can put that down the side there. So I have that. And I can also put my 6 key by Louis Vuitton. I put my 6 key in here as well. I could downsize to the 4 key to just not, you know, be as packed. But that is it. That is finished. That is how much I would put in here. Even trying to place a lip gloss, which is what I have on today. Of course. It is the Rouge Coco gloss in the 726, and it's the icing color, which is like that milky kind of color. I could put that on top, I suppose, and try and shut it. Nah, no, that's not going to fit. You could slot, maybe slot, nah, look, okay, I'm pushing it. You can't slot anything down inside it. That is it, packed to the brim. I wouldn't be packing any more in that, but that is it with its strap inside as well, so you can just hold it. It is so comfortable in your hand as well. It is so cute, like a little clutch. If you went out a lot at nights and you're on the town, this is such a cute little party bag. We don't party anymore over here, but it's so, so cute. I will put those items into this bag. Obviously, you can see it's physically bigger. I've given you the measurements. However, I will do it. So phone fits, the 6 key fits, the card case fits, the car key fits nicely, and we still have quite a lot of room. So there we go. So it will be, I'm going to say double, if not double and a half, what the Super Mini holds. These are, obviously this isn't going to fit, but these are my Gucci sunnies. Let's show them to you, shall we? So we have to do a sunny pose while we're here. But these are my large square in the tortoiseshell. Bam. Oh, they're so dirty. Oh, they're so gorgeous though. These are my large squares. I will put them in their little dust baggie and wrap it up so we've got it nice and tight like so, and pop them down in the front. And that's perfect. Maybe I would take my Tom Ford lipstick, which I also have underneath my lip gloss. That is my lips situation at the moment. I will pop them in there. So there we go. We've got sunnies, phone, keys, car key, card holder and money, and 2 lip glosses, and we're good to go. I think that is pretty good that you can get all of that in here. And I mean, we're not really bulging as such. It's not too heavy. So that's obviously 2.5 times what you can fit in the Super Mini. There's no way you're getting sunglasses in here, that is for sure. But if you did want to just have a more of essentials kind of bag, this is totally it. Or the Soho Disco, and the Soho Disco will fit a lot more than this fits because it's taller. But yeah, both utterly gorgeous bags. By Gucci, they have done so well with these Maman collections. They are so popular, so great. Maybe they're well wearing for you, maybe they're not. I think it's totally how you care for your bags. If it's well wearing or not. If you throw it around, of course, it's not going to be well wearing. If you wear this with heaps of dark colors, you may get color transfer, but just gorgeous. So that is it. Thank you, Vicky, for asking me to do a comparison video. That's so sweet. If you guys have any video requests or comparisons or reviews that you would like to see me do, always leave them below in the comments. I will hopefully get to them, reading them, and do your video you are requesting. So if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, guys, that would be really great. There is a button below with a bell next to it. If you hit that bell, you'll get notifications of all my new videos. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Peace.